Ratings ng Roblox games. Arsenal. Kinda good though. Hindi ko alam. I don't know to say but it's good. Buildable for casual. Okay, good naman siya. Nilalaro ko siya dati at matagal. The facility. Good as 7 tasting kasi super ganda niya. At dati ko pa siya gustong laruin. Row Agang. Never played this. Hindi ko siya alam. Chapter 2 Kitty which is kinda good though. Hindi ko alam. Revamped Mad City. Good. Super good. Epic mini games. Go to good. I like it. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaro.
Asa ka na ba pusa ka? Hindi ka na.
Itong kinda good though. Blocks fruits. I love it so good. So, pupunta siya sa dito. Kasi, hindi siya maganda at mataas ang graphics. Adopt me. Bad. So many skin gambling. Which is most important is sex. To see this, I don't know. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaro. Theme Park Tycoon goes to good as 7 tasting sky. Cause I love it. Kinda good. Hindi pa siya na breaking point. Minsan ko lang siya nilalaro hindi ko siya masyado gusto. The Hood. Kinda good. But I don't like violating. So, kaya lang. Minsan hindi siya violating. Phantom Force. Punta siya sa pupunta siya dito. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaro. Phantom Force. Bad. Hindi ko din yan alam pero nalaro ko na yan. Sobrang lag. Next. Natural Survival. Good. Napaka-normal niya. Tsaka full damage. Mukhang real life siya. Restaurant Tycoon 2. Bad. I don't know it. Itong Lumber Tycoon. Very good. Sobrang gusto ko siya. At normal din siya. Sobrang daming piece at pwede ka makaano dun. Piggy. Kinda good though. Unlock ko na lahat ng skins dyan. Zombie attack. It's good. I like fighting zombies and it's old. The creator of this game is a legend. Cat. Bad. So, hindi ako makain ng maayos dyan sa bad. Driving simulator. Pa siya nalalaro. And Dragon Rage. Never played this, but speedrun for bad. Gagawin mo lang dyan ay mag-checkpoint siya magpunta sa other cities. Super boring niya. Hindi ko siya gusto. Come to Bloxburg. Kinda good though. Bakit kailangan mo pa mag-spend ng money dyan? Sa ganyan lang. Tsaka sobrang daming jobs niyan pero di naman nagbibigay ng madami pera. Never heard of it. Heroes Online, hindi ko pa siya alam. Ending Simulator, bad. Hindi ko pa siya, masyado siyang maganda siya, pero hindi ko alam kung paano siya laruin. Ganda din. Nice din yung mga players dun. Room, never heard of it. And hindi ko pa siya nalalaro. So, yeah. Hindi ko pa din siya nalalaro. Hindi ko pa din siya nalalaro. Hyper Blood. Pupunta siya sa... Hindi ko pa din siya alam. This is good. Maganda siya yung Zombie Rush. Egg. An egg. But I've played it. It's good. Meep City. After sex and gambling and doing all that, getting hacked in everything, I would say I hate it. I don't like violent and sex. Spanish version of Murder Mystery. Never played of it. Skyblock. Kinda good though. Maganda naman siya. Tower of Hell. Are you serious, Tower of Hell? Binan mo ako for jumping? Like what? It's bad. Bloxburg. Dalawa na yung Ano ito? But okay, magpupunta niyo. Itong jailbreak is good. Super good. So that's all lahat ng Roblox games na hindi ko alam mga ito. Mas madami na hindi ko alam. So bye-bye.